shimmy. Hi boys and girls, how are you today? Lindy wasn't able to join me in shimmying because we've been in lockdown. Have you? I know it's been very scary times, but in the end, the sun always shines brighter. Today is a very special day because lockdown is finished and we're able to visit our friends and family. Isn't that great? Yay! So today I am very excited because I am able to visit Lindy. She's been very busy over the lockdown making things in her workshop. I wonder what she's been making. Come on, let's go. Hey Lindy, are you in there? Oh, I don't think she can hear me. I better say it a bit louder. Hey Lindy, are you in there? Yeah, I'm over here. Wait a second. I'll be right out. What are you making? It's a surprise. Guess. Is it a race car? No. Is it an aeroplane? No way. Is it a truck? No. Is it a train? No. Oh, I don't know then. Do you give up? Never give up, but I'll let you show me. Okay, close your eyes, turn around, and it will be a surprise. Okay, I love surprises. Okay, no peeking. Here he comes. I can't wait to see what it is. Yep, turn around and open your eyes. The surprise is ready. Wow, you made a robot. Well, yeah, because like they say, if you can do anything if you just put your mind to it. It must have been so hard. Not really. Because I put my mind to it, so that's how I did it. Wow, I guess you really can do anything if you put your mind to it. You can say that again. You really can do anything if you just put your mind to it. You really can do anything if you tell yourself you can. You could make an aeroplane. You could make a subway train. You could bake a chocolate cake or charm a scary cobbler's snake. You really have to give it a try. Don't ever be too shy. You really can do anything if you just put your mind and heart to it. You really can do anything if you just put your mind to it. You really can do anything if you just tell yourself that you can do it. Yeah, you really can do anything if you just put your mind to it. You really can do anything if you just put your mind to it. Don't ever give up. Don't ever give up. Don't you ever dare give up making your dreams come true. You really can do anything. Today will be your day. You really can do anything if you just put your heart and mind to it. That is the way. You could make a time machine or make a giant jelly bean. You could make a paper hat or make your daddy lose some fat. You could make a sailing ship or try and make your mom look hip. You could build a Lego car or make your very own guitar. You could make a Play-Doh line or make your mom stop drinking wine. You could make a solar car or make your dad invent a car. You really can do anything if you just put your mind to it. You really can do I just got to power him up and switch him on so he can walk and talk. Here we go. Beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, and done! Wow, he's all lit up. It looks so cool. That's because he's powered up, and now we just have to teach him how to do stuff. Are you ready for this? Oh yeah. Robot stand. Wow, he stood up. Robot activate.
Activating.
Speaking, not quite yet. Robot, please spell the word robot and say it back to me.
Processing. Spell the word robot.
This should bring him to life.
Spelling the word robot. Here we go. Let me see. Wow, look, I'm alive with my leg. Believe it. I can move with my hands. Yeah. What do I have to do again?
Spell the
I need to spell the
word
word robot. That's easy. I can do that. Let me think. Robot. R-O-B-O-T spells robot. Let me hear it. R-O-B-O-T spells robot. Robot. Yeah. R-O-B-O-T spells robot. And that's me. Woo! Take it down. Dance it to the left. Woo! Hop, hop, and shake it to the right. Woo! Yeah, let's go robot again, shall we? What's that first letter? R. O. B-O-T spells robot. Robot. Get down, yeah, woo! R-O-B-O-T spells robot. Robot. R-O-B-O-T spells robot. R-O-B-O-T spells robot. R-O-B-O-T spells robot. Robot. Yeah.
What name would you like to have?
What name would I like to have? What's a letter that starts with the letter R? A name that starts with the letter R or Reggie. How's that sound?
That sounds great.
Alright, Reggie the robot. That's me. Woo! R-O-B-O-T. I'm robot. The Reggie the robot. Yeah. Woo! R-O-B-O-T spells robot. Robot. Let's sound it out, shall we? R-O-B-O-T. One more time, sound it out with me. Spells robot! Yeah!
Oh, thank you for making me, Lindy.
That's okay, Mr. Reggie.
Oh, I had a fun time coming awake and alive and being... you know what I would like to do now?
Yeah?
I want to go and find somewhere in the forest that is a good place for me to call home.
That's a great idea.
Yes, I think I will go exploring.
But why can't you stay here? here?
Well, I want my own special place in the forests to go find and call home. Would that be okay with you?
That's okay, Ready.
I promise I will come and visit all the time and we can practice spelling.
That's fine.
Okay, I'm going to wander around over the hill and over the dale and try and find somewhere that I can call home.
Oh, and you don't have to walk. I put in jet boots for you.
Really? I've got jets?
Woohoo! That's fun.
Woohoo! Okay, how do they work? Do I just go 1, 2, 3, jets, activate?
Do you want me to just activate them on your back?
Yes, please. Oh, there we go. Okay, I can go flying up. Oh, here I go.
Wow, Lindy, that was such a great robot you made. I know, because you can do anything. Orange Lady wasn't able to join us today because she has also been in lockdown, and she has been a very, very long way away. Well, time for us to go to sleep. We're very tired. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.